If you're dreaming of visiting Khao Sok National Park but want to skip the tour groups, this video is for you. Today we're taking you for a private tour of this man-made marvel. We're starting our journey in Khao Lak. The drive from here to Khao Sok takes around 2 hours and it is full of amazing scenery. The national park is open year-round, but the best time to visit is during the drier months of November till April. Typically, this trip is done as an overnight stay or with organised tours. But we want to show you how it can be done as a day trip because the accommodation options in the park are fairly pricey. Khao Sok has gained a lot of popularity recently, and as we're nearing the entrance, we see all the tour buses parked at 7-Eleven. We haven't booked ahead, so let's hope that there's still availability for longtail boats onto the lake.
So we just arrived at the Rajjaprabha Dam and we've parked up on top of the hill. So as you drive in, you can turn, I think it's right, and you go down towards the lake, down the hill, or you can go up and across the bridge and it takes you to this viewpoint. So we're going to show you this first. The view from up here of this lake is stunning and the surrounding area is just beautiful. So if you're like us and this is just about the right amount of hiking that you want to do in a day, then this is the itinerary for you.
Okay, time to get in the car and go and show you what we came here for.
It's a bin monkey.
There's a monkey in the bin.
There's a monkey in the bin.
Showing
a monkey
us
in
its
the
arse.
bin.
Oh, he's got a whole coconut. He's loving it. He's eating the inside of the coconut. Someone wasted the inside of the coconut.
It's a big old monkey,
that
is.
It's the best bit. He's a big old chunky bloke. This guy's coming to give him some mango now as well, by the looks of it. Some green mango.
It's a chunky monkey. He's the original chunky monkey.
Bin monkey. Just going to catch the moment on camera where the monkey leaps towards Aaron and grabs his camera.
Is he a one-eyed monkey? Oh, he's missing an eye.
Huh? Aaron's getting way too close for my comfort levels. I mean, he looks pretty chill, mind. He's only got one eye. So just before we go down to get our boat, there's a lady here selling homemade ice creams, passion fruit, mango, coconut, and I'm getting an iced coconut Americano. Fresh coconut water, super hydrating and caffeine. Coconut. So it's actually coconut water and coffee, espresso. Mmm. Oh, that's delicious. You okay? Oh, God.
Just about to get on the boat. We paid $2,880 for the two of us, which was including the national park fees, which we feel like is a bit more expensive than when we came in November, but I'm not sure. Maybe because it's later in the season, maybe the price has gone up.
It's 2 hours on the boat. So for just under 3,000 baht, you can get a private boat for 2 hours, which is enough time to get to the main highlight of Cheow Lan Lake, to stop at some of the floating bungalows for a drink and then get back to the pier. And the views are breathtaking.
It's okay that you're feeling blue 'cause I'm here to stay. I know there's a way, 'cause if I'm being true
photogenic part of this lake. How stunning. This is what people come here for. This turquoise waters, limestone towering cliffs above you, and this amazing rainforest. Woo. Just take it all in. Last time we went through this epic area, the boat sat there for about 10 or 15 minutes and we had loads of time to take photos. But now it seems like if you stop, you're going to cause a traffic jam. So that was a pretty quick tour for us. It took us about 40 minutes to get to that point from the pier. And it's likely that we're heading back now. We're just pulling up to these infamous water lodges, and they're made to float on the lake so that they can rise and fall. Oh, it's the lake. Amazing to think that we are currently surrounded by one of the world's oldest rainforests at over 160 billion years old. Wow.
So when we came here in November, I think it was the end of the low season, so it was still low season prices. It was a little bit cheaper. I think it was about 2,000 baht. This time it was 2,880 baht. Last time, the driver that we had was stopping frequently to show us things. He showed us a monkey in the trees. I think it was some sort of gibbon that he found. And he was stopping at a few different locations around the lake. Really nice interest points. This time, we are middle of April, and there's a lot more boats around. And I think they're on a faster turnaround because we sort of shot out there, went to the 3 rocks, the main interest point, and then we went to the bungalows, and we had a few minutes there to buy a drink, and then we got ushered back onto the boat. The place itself is absolutely stunning. Definitely worth coming to see. It's absolutely amazing. But just be wary of the time of year that you're coming and what kind of experience you might have. Maybe it's just a one-off, maybe it's down to the driver, but the bungalows themselves on the water it looked very appealing to us personally. See in the videos, do your research and see what you think it is the kind of experience you want.
So the final verdict, was it worth it? We would say that it's a great option for those that don't want to be part of any tour groups and if you just want to see the most famous viewpoints around the lake. But if you want to get the full national park experience, then you should set aside some extra days and budget. For us, the day trip was perfect, as we prefer to do things in our own time. And we mainly came here to experience the diving from Khao Lak, which we'll be showing you in the next videos. So we'll see you then. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And let us know if you enjoyed it by leaving a comment below.